about to experience the scariest moment of his life.
I'm just gonna let you know, I'm not afraid of anything.
We'll see.
You cannot scare me.
Seal him up! You have to survive 10 minutes with 1,000 spiders to move on. Oh. Release the spiders! Oh. Start the timer! The reason we're doing this is because Max said no matter how hard I try, I can't scare him.
Would you say you're scared now? Getting there a little bit. A little bit?
And this is only one of many fears Mac will face in this video.
Oh God!
And if he can successfully face all of the fears, he will win $800,000. I'm not gonna lie, this was way more gnarly than I thought it would be. 3, 2, 1, lift it up, lift it up.
Oh yeah.
Congratulations on passing the first challenge! Let's go! But Mac has to finish all of these fears if he wants to win that $800,000 prize. Mac, I know you're blindfolded, but trust me, just walk up this ramp. Raise us up! Why are you taking a knee?
What is what?
Just stand up, stand up. Go on, you're fine, you're fine.
No. All right.
Okay,
Jimmy.
you can hold on to it. That's cute.
Oh my God.
Okay. Mac, take off your blindfold. Welcome to challenge number 2. The next fear is the fear of heights. You're gonna stand on the end of that plank, unclip this so you'll be connected to nothing.
No, dude.
Press that button, and then free fall 200 feet. And without knowing how, trust, I'll catch you.
No.
You're shaking.
Yeah, of course I'm shaking. I'm gonna fall off of this without a harness on?
Yeah.
I can't even see the ground.
Oh, be careful. Mac, I'm just gonna tell you, even though you can't see the ground, you are very, very high up.
Oh my God, Mac.
All you have to do is unclip it and press that button.
Oh my. I want you to look at me in the eyes right now and tell me that I'm gonna fall and something's gonna catch me.
Something will break your fall, I promise.
Oh my.
You're literally attached to nothing.
Oh my God.
The clip is gone.
Oh my God, dude.
You don't have to do it. If you want to, you can tap out and just admit that you were wrong and you do get scared.
No way. God, dude.
I would have to say, you look pretty scared.
Oh my God. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Godspeed.
Godspeed. 0.
I can't believe you did it.
God, he's a psycho.
And if you're wondering who my psychotic friend Mac is, he's actually a contestant from a previous challenge video. And sadly, he ended up losing $800,000. But now he is on challenge 3 of 6 to attempt to win that money back. Here we are.
Yeah.
The next challenge.
What'd you get, a $5 car? Put 800 grand inside of it?
As you can see, this car is pointed towards a lake.
I'm guessing you're gonna want me to drive the car into the lake?
No. That would be dangerous. As you can see, there's no gas pedal. Obviously, you can't drive it in the lake.
Yeah, I'm so stupid. Why would I think that I could drive it into the lake?
Yeah,
I'm stupid, yeah.
Which is why we're gonna drop him in the lake. Bring in the crane!
Oh, Jimmy. Oh, it is getting real now. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God.
All right, Mac, listen up and listen good. Once we drop you at this lake, the car will quickly begin to sink. And in the back seat is the 800 grand you've been competing for, divvied up into 8 duffel bags. However many bags you can save from this sinking car determines how much money you'll continue competing for in this video. And whatever you leave behind is gone forever.
Oh my gosh, dude.
I will never tell you that I'm scared.
But I'm about as close as you can be.
Guys, before moving forward in the video, I want to say something to you. Guys, my girlfriend is not giving me a kiss. She says that neither does your video get likes, nor does your channel get subscribers. So why should I give you a kiss? Guys, please like the video and subscribe to the channel so that I can get a kiss from her.
The neon glare of Times Square lit up the night, buzzing with life as only New York can. But as tourists snapped selfies and street performers juggled fire, something way more sinister was brewing just out of sight. On a rooftop, Captain America adjusted his shield. He'd cracked a coded message. Somebody was plotting to plunge the city into chaos. Iron Man hovered next to him, scanning for trouble. Thermal scans show weird activity under the subway tunnels, Tony announced, his face aglow inside his helmet. That's where we start, Cap replied. Down in the tunnels, the world above faded away. It was silent, gritty, and thick with tension. Suddenly, Iron Man's sensors went wild. But it wasn't Hydra, or aliens, or some supervillain in a metal suit. It was a mouse. Cap almost laughed. Just a mouse, Stark. Relax. But Iron Man's voice was sharp. No, Cap. Look closer. On the mouse's back, a blinking microchip. They followed it into a cavern filled with crates stamped with the biggest names in tech, from Stark Industries to Oscorp, and even Wayne Enterprises. Someone was stealing America's secrets and using this mouse as their delivery system. Suddenly, mercenaries attacked, led by the Saboteur, a villain with a plan to black out the nation with a citywide EMP. Bullets flew, Cap's shield flashed, Iron Man's repulsors lit up the darkness. But the real threat? That tiny mouse carrying the key to New York's fate. Cap raced through the chaos, dodging explosions and mercenaries. He caught the mouse, carefully removed the device, and tossed it to Tony. Iron Man blasted it mid-air. A burst of sparks, and the city was saved. As silence fell, Cap set the mouse down. It just stared at him, like it knew it was part of something heroic. Tony smirked. Guess America's heroes come in all sizes. Cap smiled. Even the smallest can carry the weight of freedom. And above them, New York's lights blazed on, completely unaware of how close they came to total darkness, thanks to 2 Avengers and 1 brave little mouse.